This is the Nutri-Tower. It's the vertical hydroponic gardening system. It's got 32 pots. It's a very simple system. At the bottom here, you have a bucket that you fill up with water. You just want to make sure that all your tubes are in there. There's a pump at the bottom pumping water up the column and then distributing through all these tubes down from pot to pot to pot. It comes with nutrients, and the pump and lights are on a timer here. They come with the tower. If you want, you can switch them to Wi-Fi timers. And another great thing about this is that you can grow from any seed. A lot of these countertop gardens and home gardening hydroponic systems out there are forcing you to grow their own seeds that come like in Keurig pots. Here, you can just do it any seed in the coco coir or any other type of growing medium, and you're ready to go. Also, we have a great community on Facebook, the Nutri-Tower Growers Group, where the community helps everybody out. And since this is just like regular gardening, but indoors, a lot of the gardening tips that apply outdoors apply also in the tower. So a stronger community makes for a stronger garden. So that's it. That's the tower. Give it a last little spin. I've got in here some rosemary, some thyme, some chard, sage, lemon balm, smells very good, basil, baby pepper, coriander, salad, habanero peppers, nasturtium. This is delicious. Chives. These chives have been growing forever. Starting little tomatoes, more peppers. So yeah, up to 32 plants at a time is definitely a good amount.